Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2009 Honda Element. 1,204 miles on it, stock number 4080. It is a salvage vehicle. The radiators are bad in this vehicle. We're not going to let it, coolers are bad. We're not going to let it run real long. I want to take you inside real quick. And we're going to look at the instrument cluster. And you can see that there is a check engine light on. The airbags are not deployed on this vehicle. There's no airbag lights on. Looks like we have a traction control button on. And starting up on the front here, let me shut it off. See that driver's fender, he's bad, got hit on the left front. And the hood has got some, it's going to need a hood on it. Like I say, the coolers are bad on it. Right side fender looks good on it. I don't see any cracks on the windshield. Looks like the right headlight is also good. Appears it got hit high in the front. You see this where they open the door up, kinked it. We do have a scratch in that door in there. Looks like there's a couple little dings in that door also. Here's a plastic panel on here. This is bowed out a little bit. Some marring and some scratching there. We had the back end of this vehicle taped up. We left the tape on. It's going to need a tail light on the left side. Also going to need a rear gate. You see just that very edge of the rear body is damaged. And this gate, upper part of the gate, is got a dent on it. The window made it. And we're coming around to the right side. Tail light is good on this side. And this side is pretty clean. Mainly it's the other side that's nicked up. Looks like we do have a scratch right there on the right front door. Yeah, we'll flip this gate up. You can see the impact was real low on the gate, and it is going to need a rear bumper. And it does have power windows, power locks, air, cruise, tilt. You got the cruise on the steering wheel. It does have a CD player in it, automatic transmission. No airbags are deployed, and it's very clean, you know, and only 1,200 miles on it. It's in very, almost brand new condition other than the accident damage on it. And we can open up the side here, give you a view. If you have any questions, please give us a call. There'll be a video that you can sign up to, some information. You can sign up for YouTube and subscribe to our channel and receive video updates. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is repairables.com, and you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them, of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post the video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email, and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there's also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold. And it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, repairables.com, and I want to thank you again. Thanks again.